That's right. Guys, the government says the ongoing COVID-19 vaccination program will continue as it is comfortable with the AstraZeneca shot after some European states suspended use over blood clot concerns from a small group of people. And it concerned me too. Trust and believe this.
Yeah, I'm sure it concerned a lot of people, and because of how it was shared, because the way it was shared, the information came up. Denmark, Norway, Iceland, among the countries have suspended distribution of the AstraZeneca virus, the AstraZeneca vaccination.
Vaccine, yeah.
And there was no, because in our generation, my generation especially, we don't like to read, So we see the first headline and we run with it. When you read the story now, the officials in the different countries said that they're investigating. There's nothing concrete, nothing has been said to link
the vaccine
to the blood clots.
Right.
So it's like, all right, read the entire story, get the full picture, but we not do that.
No, we like headlines, honey.
Headlines will
We
sell.
only have so many characters to
Yeah.
type and tweet anyway, so we just want the headlines.
And true, and I don't blame people for how they understand things, because
Yeah.
it's how it's fed to them. But please, as best as we can, let's not try to sensationalize things.
Right, because you can't assume that the vaccine has a direct link
Yeah.
to the reason why, a clot would have developed, So you have to give science and medicine its due course to do what it does.
Yeah,
So,
and I mean, it instills fear.
yeah.
And I ask my friends all the time, y'all take vitamins, y'all take protein powder. You know what's in it? Most of the times we don't really know.
We don't know.
But I understand the fears of everybody, so just take a deep breath and just USA. Yeah. We're supposed to have a video to show.
The vaccine come. Oh, na na na. Na 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 na. Yes, I. The plain land. Yes, the plain land. 50,000 buckling, yeah, then get it from the plain land. Yes, the plain land. They take away the immigration. The plain land, yes, the plain land. Oh, I get the first at the civil servant. The plain land, yes, the plain land. Saggle up your type, take a drug in your hand. Those dropping at the land. If you not take it, it's a destruction. That's how me must and top of me hand. Me a pray after the vaccination. Pull up and play, take a drug in your hand. When you take it, you never go on Netherlands. Pan out me belly, put me head in a me hand. Suppose me go take it and me sit in can't stand. Let that sink in. The plain land, yes, the plain land. 50,000
I am fully convinced that we are missing one thing.
We are the best people.
When people say Jamaica is a land of wood and water, then forget gimmicks.
No. You're not going to call it gimmicks, okay? It's called creativity, all right?
Okay.
Saddle up yourself to take the joke in your hand. You got direct instructions out of that song. It laid it out for you how the vaccines will be administered. I thought it was very, very good information.
Oh, I love the information.
Kudos to you, sir. I don't know where you be under all of that, but yeah.
I have a question. Is that part of the how much billion
Campaign?
I doubt it. But
No
he
more
should-
money.
He should get some money.
No more money.
He should get some money for that.
All right. Next topic. President Joe Biden used his first evening address to the nation on Thursday to announce he is directing U.S. states to open coronavirus vaccine eligibility to all adults no later than May 1st, a step he will say could allow for a small Independence Day gathering on July 4th. So,
Oh, that's so nice, though.
yeah, I mean, Biden
You know
is...
how long some people want to go outside?
They want to go outside legally.
Yes.
Yeah, because, we still have problems with people across the world still breaking the country's curfew orders and all that. So, I mean, people want, and I keep telling people, we want to see each other. We want to be around each other. We want to love each other. We want to hug each other. We just want to be in each other's company. So I think the timing of the vaccines necessary because they want to continue with life. But
It's hard to ask human beings to stay away from each other because we were birthed out of a human being. We grew up
Out of
seeing
a
human
strong
beings.
human beings.
We grew up, you know, depending on each other, human beings, to supply us with the things that we need. So it's hard. It's hard to ask us to stay away from each other. We have to go, you know, we have teachers who we grew up, come see. I remember my grade 3 teacher. I'd love to see her today.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's hard to ask us to be physically distant.
So that's like my favorite song, the John Legend, Refuge. I'm out.
John, when you start touring again, can you please just invite Extol, please?
Just sing the song, then, please.
And talking about doing things big internationally, dancehall artist Cargo was awarded $800,000 US in a countersuit against former manager and producer Kemar Flavor McGregor of Streaming Hub Inc. Now, to get $800,000 US in a time like this, Cargo, see if I still have your number. Let me just make sure I still have your number same way. You understand? Because I'm just saying, like, it's like, wouldn't you want $800,000 US?
As one of my favorite entertainers would I say, rich.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I mean, he got it because he's countersued his former manager. I
Right.
think it was for fraud, defamation of character.
A whole heap of things.
Yeah, a whole heap of things. So 800,000. If you believe in what you believe in and you sue and get it.
I hope he gets it though.
Yeah, I really do. I
I
really
hope
do.
he gets
I
it.
hope he gets. I mean, I'm gonna pay lawyer fees and all that. But
Yeah.
you get a nice, cool 700,000.
Okay.
Send some for your friend them at Jamaica. That can be your stimulus package back home. Just, you know.
Yeah, budget of the man money already.
Yeah,
before
but
he
you have a
gets it.
budget, you know. You have a budget.
This is very true.
I'm sure people are budget for him as well. So, you know.
This is very true.
Speaking of money, detectives from the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, arrested and charged former Petrojam chairman Dr. Percival Bahadur Singh with 12 counts of obtaining money by means of false pretense. You know,
Well, you see, if you do the crime,
you do the time.
yeah.
But, I mean, there's a lot more to come out of this case, I'm sure. I'm sure there'll be further discussions about it. I haven't read everything about it because I was so busy this week with dealing with family members, everybody, family in different countries taking vaccine and this and that. So I didn't get time to read and follow up. So I'm sure
Yeah.
stories will come out about
The
it.
matter was you know, it has been around now for a while. So I guess this is just the time now that they've managed to find some solution going forward. You know, hearing about a prison sentence for nobody at all, I'm sure it's never easy, but if you mess with the law, it's just cause and effect. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? So you have to just take responsibility for your actions.
Do the crime, do the
Yeah.
time. Well, that's it for our trending topics. That's all.
Yeah,
So
that's it for the trending topics, guys.
Do the-